Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do my hair real quick. Yes, you can see the King has a dentist appointment in 10 minutes. Try to just do my hair really quickly.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it today. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
The look for today, really cute. Let me get out of here because I'm running late. It is 10:40 and my appointment is in 5 minutes, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.